This is Road Ready, this is our company. We're mobile techs. We specialize in ADAS calibrations. We do a little bit of module programming and stuff like that as well. We call it a luxury service. You call us, we're there within 24 hours. We can calibrate the car, we can pick up and drop off. We do module programming, headlight initialization, really anything with a computer and a car, we're your tech nerds. I've been doing car stuff for about 4 or 5 years now. I worked with my Uncle Lou, who's been programming and doing keys. And from the time that I started to the time that I ended doing keys, it was a lot of physical keys, and I just saw a lot of eventually smart keys, and it was all programming. And I realized where it was going, the industry, it's all going to everything off a computer, and I had to figure something out quick.
It initially started with an idea from Tyler like 2.5 years ago. And I told him no because I didn't know anything about cars at the time. I've just done sales my whole life. I actually started sales with Dennis back in high school.
I was working with Tyler and Lou until, he came up to me one day, kind of frustrated, I had a long day, and he was like, man, we gotta start thinking about the future. There's something called ADAS. I'm thinking about taking a class, starting a new business. I was like, yeah, absolutely, this is something we have to pursue.
The uncertainty for me was the calibrations, the cars. I was like, I plug in, I'm not gonna know what to do. Tyler was like, that's actually perfect, so you don't have any bad habits. And once it clicked one day, I was like, oh wow, we should have started this a year ago.
I was just on the Auto website, and they'll send somebody to call you, and I happened to be Gary. And Gary, from there, he walked me through every step of the process. This is what you're buying, this is how much it is. He told me parts I may not need, and that I can buy later on. You remember we were thinking about going to 600?
No, 700.
We thought about it. No. I might have gave up already. He got us the best price and the best equipment and the fastest time possible. I was confident when I got the machine. I realized I had a little bit to learn. And it took me about my first 10 cars where I was iffy. Is it me? Is it the car? Rob carried us all. We have a funny joke, Rob's like our fourth member. Anytime we have any type of problem, hey Rob, can you help us out? And he'll give us advice through the phone, and after that, you're pretty solid. Rob's our mentor on this, definitely.
I'm not, tech savvy, so the beautiful thing about the tablet, it walks you through the calibration if you're having a tough time with it.
It's a very great, sturdy system, and it's very comfortable to move in and out, especially for us mobile guys.
When we bought the frame, it came in these foam packaging. We took the exact way it was packaged and put it in the car.
That's the beauty of the frame that we have. It takes about 5 minutes tops to take it out the van. To assemble it, probably takes another 5-7 minutes. They're like, you guys put that thing in a van and it's that easy?
The whole shop would just stop and it's like lights on us. It's like, what are these guys doing? You see that red frame come out and it's like we have the red carpet rolled out for us.
Business on wheels, that's what we say. We have business on wheels.
2 guys are calibrating, 1 guy's usually doing the physical equipment, and 1 guy's on the tablet, and we try to keep it efficient and moving. 1 car in, 1 car out. We just hit our 1-year mark, and once we got the ball rolling, it was no looking back. Today, I can tell you there's no question about it. That was the right decision.
In the near future, we want to expand, hopefully take over Massachusetts when it comes to ADAS calibrations, but we'd love to add another frame, add more workers to our team.
What I enjoy is it's never the same thing twice. Just meeting interesting people, going new places. I've known these guys since I was little, so we're having fun. We're going out and making money together. I mean, who could really ask for more?